Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord steering wheel emblem. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic pry tool, some rubbing alcohol, and, of course, your brand new emblem. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the steering wheel is securely locked. This simple step ensures your safety throughout the entire process. Also, consider applying painters, tape around the emblem to protect the surrounding surfaces from any accidental marks. Now, let's move on to removing the old emblem. Take your plastic pry tool and carefully insert it under one edge of the existing emblem. Begin to gently pry the emblem away from the steering wheel, moving slowly and deliberately around its entire perimeter. It's important to apply steady, even pressure during this step to prevent any damage to the steering wheel's surface underneath. Take your time. Patience is key here for a clean removal. With the old emblem successfully removed, the next crucial step is cleaning and preparation. Take a clean cloth and some rubbing alcohol, then thoroughly clean the area where the old emblem was situated. This process is vital for removing any lingering adhesive residue, dirt, or grime. A clean surface ensures that your new emblem will adhere properly and securely. Allow the cleaned area to dry completely for a few minutes before moving on to the final installation. Finally, it's time to install your brand new emblem. Carefully peel off the protective backing from the new emblem to reveal its adhesive side. Take your time to precisely align the new emblem within the designated space on your steering wheel. Once it's perfectly positioned, press down firmly on the emblem for at least 30 seconds. This firm pressure helps to activate the adhesive and ensures a strong, lasting bond. Enjoy your refreshed steering wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.